Veeam Certified Engineer v12 VMCE_v12 exam dumps are valuable for you to study all the related topics. Study the latest VMware VMCE_v12 exam dumps here. 1. Veeam 1 has been installed and configured. The infrastructure contains 5 Veeam backup and replication servers. The administrator needs to check the remaining capacity on each of the backup repository servers. Where can they see this information? A. Under Infrastructure View, look up the Veeam backup and replication servers to see the guest disk space. B. Under Data Protection View, look up the backup repository servers to see the remaining capacity. C. Under Business View, look up the backup repository servers to see the remaining capacity. D. Under Infrastructure View, look up the backup repository servers to see the guest disk space. 2. An administrator has decided to set up a VM backup job covering their Microsoft SOL servers. What feature must be enabled to ensure quiescence of the SQL databases during the backup? A. Enable Microsoft SQL Server plugin. B. Enable application-aware processing. C. Enable Microsoft Windows OS processing. D. Enable Microsoft SQL Server Agent on the VMs. 3. Which feature can be used in Veeam Explorer for Oracle Database? A. Recover from litigation and in place hold items. B. Restore original password for account objects. C. Restore databases from backups created with Veeam RMAN plugin. D. Export to back file. 4. An administrator is asked to change a backup copy job from periodic mode to immediate mode. How can this be accomplished? A. Edit the original job and select immediate copy mode from the job settings. B. Enable immediate mode on the repository. C. Create a new copy job and delete the original job. D. Modify the job settings on the proxy performing the copy job. 5. Veeam Agent for Linux has been installed in standalone mode on a Linux physical server. The backup job is configured to write to a Veeam repository. Which of the following media types is available as a recovery media? A. USB drive. B. Veeam backup and replication repository. C. Object storage. D. Tape. 6. For general data protection regulation (GDPR) compliance, Veeam can add a location tag to which component? A. Guest interaction proxies. B. vCenter servers. C. WAN accelerators. D. Cloud gateways. 7. Which of the following backup types are valid for both Veeam Agent for Microsoft Windows and Veeam Agent for Linux? Choose 2. A. Snapshot level backup. B. File level backup. C. Personal files backup. D. Volume level backup. E. OS level backup. 8. What does Veeam's secure restore functionality ensure during restores? A. 256-bit AES encryption of in-flight data. B. Antivirus scanning. C. Custom ports for in-flight data. D. Proper rights, permissions on files and folders. 9. A Veeam administrator is concerned about keeping backups on site and has traditionally used tapes to store backups older than 30 days in order to free up space on their backup repository for longer-term storage. The company is currently using scale-out backup repositories. What option would satisfy the requirement? A. Copy to capacity tier. B. Move to capacity tier. C. Backup to object storage. D. File copy job. 10. An administrator needs to configure a backup job that dynamically adds new VMware-hosted SQL servers. How can this be accomplished? A. Create a dynamic backup job in Enterprise Manager. B. Create a job based on vSphere tags. C. Create a CSV file that is scanned before the backup job starts. D. Enable application-aware processing.